Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm going to talk about all things hair, especially how to get volume in your hair, because this is something I think most of us want to know. Keep watching this video to know some amazing tips that will help you to instantly get amazing volume in your hair. So the biggest issue for me is that I have long and straight hair, and that's one length. So whenever I wash my hair, within the next day the volume's gone, and I love volume in my hair. I think all of us do, right? I do some things in the shower, post shower, that helps me a lot. So first I'm going to talk about all those things that I do while I'm washing my hair. So I don't wash my hair every single day. For the matter of fact, I wash it every 3 to 4 days, depends on how oily it is, or what occasion I have. Secondly, I'm going to talk about this mistake that I hear many people doing, that is apply hair mask after shampoo, and that too all over the scalp. Now applying it all over your scalp is okay, but the thing is that you do not apply it after the shampoo, especially if it's something that is meant for your roots. So I have been using this hair mask once a week, which is really good. You're supposed to always use it in the shower. So if I apply that after my shampoo, on my scalp, and if I don't wash that off with a good shampoo, then what happens is the next day my hair will instantly become oily. So how do I deal with that? So what I do is that first I massage the hair mask into my hair nicely, leave it on for 15-20 minutes. Then I wash it off, and I use my shampoo, and that way I get volume as well as my scalp gets treated very well. One thing that you should always remember is that never take your conditioner till your roots. Just apply conditioner till here, like that is shoulder length. Don't go above it if you want volume. Never just stand straight and wash my hair or dry my hair, because in that way your hair becomes flat. A lot of products stay in there, they do not come out well, because we're also rushing at the same time. So what happens is that there's this layer forming, the residue is still there, and you end up having oily roots that do not give you the volume. I always flip my hair and then I wash my hair. So try these in the shower and let me know if it works for you. So let us move on to the second part of this video, that is the post shower styling stage. So the thing that I always do for instant volume is apply dry shampoo. This is in a dark variant. So this one is a lot closer to my hair color, that is naturally black, and then the white residue that a lot of dry shampoos leave. Just getting a dry shampoo and using it might not give you the desired volume or the result. For that, what you need to do is first obviously open it, shake it, and you always apply dry shampoo from at least 10 centimeters away. You should never apply dry shampoo on your roots like this. It will just add a lot of product in your scalp and you will not get the volume. What I like doing is I just section my hair like this randomly and I go like this. The next thing that I always do is again the upside down method, that is I flip my hair and there you go, instant volume in your hair. Since we are in the styling part, never take your heavy styling products like creams and gels and this and that near your scalp unless you're going for the sleek look, because that will just kill your volume. So now coming to one of my favorite things that I love doing to add a little volume, that is curling my hair. I personally love using a curling wand like this one. You should always use something that has a thicker barrel. So I have something that's like this, so I get all kinds of curls. But yeah, use something that has a thicker barrel compared to those barrels that are very thin and give you chopstick curls. If you're going for that, amazing. Curling your hair will instantly give you volume. If you're looking for something a little Victoria's Secret kind of little beachy and wavy kind of curls, you should always use these thicker barrels. This will give you amazing curls, and I'm actually going to show you. First, when you're curling, always apply your heat protectant spray. Always comb out your hair with a white tooth comb and detangle all those knots in your hair, because you do not want to lose a lot of hair in the process. Firstly, for me, I like curling the lower ends of my hair, and I don't make them look very tight or whatever. I just hold it on like this. Just hold it on for a while. Hold it always like this, not like this. Always like this. I always keep the heat setting at 150 to 160. It's always outward curls for me. So as you can see, I am done. You can use a thicker barrel or a thinner barrel, but this is how I like my curls looking. So we are almost towards the end of this video, but not before I share with you one of the main secrets that I clearly am not following right now, but I always have. That is cutting your hair in layers. Now you don't have to go for those drastic, crazy layers that we all have once in a life had and have regretted. You don't have to go that drastic, but just having a few layers in your hair length always helps with the hair volume. And sometimes with one length hair, what happens is that your hair can look very dull and not very lifted. So if you're looking for like a little change, get some layers and you'll not have to do a lot when it comes to the volume of your hair. So those were my tips, and I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, then please don't forget to show some love, and I'll see you guys super soon with my next video. Till take care, I love you all. Bye bye.